princess. I'm the example. I've got duties, responsibilities, expectations. My whole life is planned out. Preparing for the day I become, well, my mother. She's in charge of every single day of my life.
Today we're learning English with Disney Pixar's animation Brave. Before we get into the lesson, I wanted to let you know that every single week we make fun lessons just like this one. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell down below so you don't miss any of our new lessons.
Merida, this is what you've been preparing for your whole life.
No, it's what you've been preparing me for my whole life. I won't go through with it. You can't make me.
Merida!
Go through with something means to do something you planned or promised to do. It usually said about something that is difficult or unpleasant. For example, I hoped he wasn't really going through with the plan. My friend has decided to go through with his plans to finish university.
Jacob, you are weak and fear dragons. I am strong and understand them.
Honey, I don't know if I want to go through with this.
You're on.
How did I ever get tangled up in all this voodoo madness? I can't go through with this.
So what happens? You just kill yourself and the magic goes away? And you're gonna let him go through with this?
I don't need his permission to save your life. Come back with me to New Orleans, Nicholas. We'll find another way. We both know that's not gonna happen.
So you have no idea what they're like? At all?
It's all right, Fa Mulan. It's our honor to serve the Emperor and the Middle Kingdom.
The whole thing is so exciting. We're very happy, really.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. I'm not sure I could go through with
Mulan, prepare to move out.
And you will walk out of her life forever. Well, princesses don't marry kitchen boys. I know, but we're going to go through with this as if nothing has changed.
You've got to tell her.
Tell me what?
They fit fine. A bit dusty, but...
Well, the previous owner died a decade ago, so... Yeah, he chose not to warn me before sacrificing his life, either.
Caroline.
Don't. Why didn't you tell me the truth? Did you think that I wouldn't let you go through with it?
Well, perhaps I didn't want to know, either way.
Where do you even get a white oak steak?
But I can't go through with this.
Oh, come on,
No, hey, you know what? I'm sorry, I would never force you to hire someone you were this uncomfortable with.
Phoebe's right, Frank. I know it's hard to hear, but it would have been wrong to go through with it. I was being selfish. Even though we want the same things right now, in the future, we may not.
Her voice.
Is that it?
Merida, this is what you've been preparing for your whole life.
No, it's what you've been preparing me for my whole life. I won't go through with it. You can't make me.
Merida.
Make somebody do something means to force someone to do something. For example, my parents always make me do my homework before I go out.
Have I ever broken a promise? I'm scared too, but I wouldn't make you do this if it wasn't the right thing to do. What do you say, Blue?
What did I just...
Huh?
Oops. My bad.
Whoa! Hey! Do not make me come back there. I will turn this blimp around.
Sorry, I didn't think leaving them at a monster hotel would be safe. Guess I didn't realize your blimp would be such...
He's right. So, are we back to 1 for all and 3 for 1? Come on, Simon. Hug it out. You know, I'm sorry, Sai. Sai? Don't make me have to kiss you, because I'll do it. I don't care. Here come
Turk, I'm asking you as a friend.
With the face and the eyes and the... All right! But don't make me do anything embarrassing. I'm gonna kill him!
Actually...
Yes. Besides, I've been rather busy myself.
Watching theatre?
Well, board meetings and Security Council meetings.
You're really gonna make me do it?
Do what?
You know that nothing will stop me as it returns to my hand. Not even your face.
You go quite mad. You'll be executed.
You're fired.
Oh, I could listen to that all day.
No, seriously. He decided to go in a different direction. You're fired.
What?
Don't make me call security. You're fired.
Oh, you're fired.
No, you're fired.
She says goes. Well, she's not the boss of me. If I don't want to, Mama can't make me.
Gotta listen to your daddy, Alvin. You don't want to get grounded. Oh!
Are you going to pick that up?
Are you going to make me?
Oh, contraire, mon frere. I'm just going to elegantly show you how it's done. Simon.
Destroy the whole roof? Mom, we have to replace the chimney with a slide for when the storks deliver my baby brother.
What he said.
No, don't be crazy. You cannot do the chimney. Come on, don't make me the mean mom. Dads are fun, moms are mean.
I heard that.
Parent conference.
Ow, pinching.
Henry, people are gonna think we're crazy.
Not tired.
Alvin?
Still not tired. More awake. Tired. Just kidding. Much more awake.
Alvin, that's it. Don't make me come over there.
Okay.
Whoa!
It's the right thing to do.
I will not let you go, Humpty.
I know you won't. So I won't make you choose.
Humpty!
A cake? You don't want it? Yes, I want it. You're sure if I give this to my mom, it will change my fate? Oh.
Fate is the things that happen to someone or something, especially unpleasant things that end their existence or end a particular period. Or it is a power that is believed to control what happens in people's lives. For example, I wouldn't wish such a fate on my worst enemy.
Anyway, she's the one with roses coming out of her...
Mirabel! Oh, sorry. You see, you're missing the point. The fate of the family, it's not up to her. It's up to you. You're exactly what this family needs. You just have to...
Something brought you here, Flynn Rider. Call it what you will, fate, destiny.
A horse.
So I have made the decision to trust you.
A horrible decision, Raven.
But trust me when I tell you this. You can tear this tower apart.
Strange. We can't send them back. Not yet.
Why?
Well, some of these guys are gonna die.
Parker. It's their fate.
Come on, Strange, have a heart.
Dory? Mom, Marlon and Nemo are more than good friends. They're family. And I have to get them back. See, when they found me, it felt like fate. Do you know what I mean? What's another word for fate? Like, destiny. Destiny! Destiny! Dory?
Every carving and one spell. Are you sure you know what you're doing? I want a spell to change my mum. That'll change my fate. Done.
Hi, I'm Eep. In my defense, I had been living in a cave my whole life, and I didn't really come across other people very often, let alone a boy! And to think, the only two teenagers in the world, and we found each other. It's like fate brought us together. My whole family loved him. Except for Dad.
Parker, don't you realize that in the multiverse there are an infinite number of people who know Peter Parker is Spider-Man? And if that spell gets loose, they're all coming here.
Look, I know, I get it, but we can't just send them home to die.
It's their fate. You can't change that any more than you could change who they are.
But what if we could? What if we could change their fate?
I mean, can you believe it?
After all these years, and Guy shows up on our doorstep.
And to think that we were worrying about Dawn being alone. And now Guy's back. It's like fate brought them back together.
Like it was meant to be.
But did you see the way that
But you will never succeed. There will always be someone to stop you.
Who? The panda? His chi is strong, but it won't be enough. He will meet the same fate as you.
No.
And so will every panda.
Choose your words wisely. Fate of the multiverse may depend on it.
Got it. No pressure, then.
It's offering. I made it. For you. Special.
You made this for me? Oh, interesting flavor.
How do you feel?
What is that?
Different?
Flavor is the particular taste of a food or drink. For example, which flavor do you want, chocolate or vanilla? Also, it is the quality of tasting good. For example, I prefer this one because it has more flavor.
One flavor of jelly. That tastes good. I love the flavor of that. It's horrible, isn't it? No. Oh, we're making great progress. I'll try some of this.
Go back.
Oh, Gusteau was right. Oh, yeah. Oh, amazing. Each flavor was totally unique.
Fred, I am really worried about you.
Don't eat that. You might not like the flavor.
Fred, relax. Watermelon.
Can we go? Look, Sam, I don't... Key is to keep turning it. Get the smoky flavor nice and even.
That storm's getting closer. Hey, Remy, you think that maybe we shouldn't be so...
Well, I'll be dipped. You've really outdone yourself, Mary.
Oh, and look! There's all of us at the top!
Each apartment is everyone's favorite flavor. Norwood's is red velvet.
Guilty!
And lemon for Lucy. Rum cake for Jean.
How do people decide? Whoa! Now what's that beautiful fountain of rubies? Johnny, have you tried this Slurpee?
Not that quickly, hon.
It comes in 48 flavors. We have to try them all.
He is always singing something. I can't compete with that. You gotta burr it up, Bird. You gotta emancipate yourself from domestication.
Try to see this place through her eyes. Taste the flavors she's tasting.
Ooh, so I should eat a bug? Ugh, that's just nasty thinking about it.
Glitter, where is my...
Soon, all of us were stuck eating the sardines that no one else wanted. Poached, fried, boiled, dried, candied, and juiced. Life became gray and flavorless. But when all
Hey,
seemed...
Mary, what's the flavor of that mud that I'm stuck in there?
Oh, chocolate.
Never been real fond of chocolate.
Well, I did not know that.
One other little thing I hate.
It was like Chester V was speaking directly to me, using the language of science.
Now look at us. Our new Food Bar XL with flavor crystals. Still making people happy after all these years. Now, kids, you'll almost
It's a certain...
certainly...
Oh, it's kind of like a... You know, it's got like this boom, zap kind of taste. Don't you think? What would you call that flavor?
Lightning-y?
Yeah, it's lightning-y! Oh, we gotta do that again! Okay, when the next storm comes...
Well, what about this universe's version of you? Maybe she could control her powers.
This universe doesn't have a me.
What?
None of them do.
Well, how do you know that?
Because I've looked. And because I never dream.